Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around here at Sunset Auto Family. Let's give you that virtual video walk around and show you this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. This vehicle does have a clean Carfax history report. Taking you on the interior rear cab. Notice all the ample legroom. Super clean, no rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. Lots of legroom. Gotta have that when you're traveling. And of course, a safe vehicle. I'm gonna put you right here in the driver's seat. Power seats, of course. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length, as you can see. And this truck won't last long, I'll tell you what. For more information on this pickup or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Let's go for a test drive. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.